Once again, good morning. Today is about 28, yeah? 28. Again, this is our 9th treatment sessions on Nicho Solberto. So BPS 103, 67, 103, so same cardiovascular management, yeah? But we increase the gasoline by which the 20 seconds hold. We do it 2 sets, that's 40 seconds, that's 40, no? Then, by next time, it's about to increase the load, no? More than makapalakaw nito. This is about 45 caliber na katso nga iyang armas, no? And then on the right choke, again, here, kasi yung hindi good mo recover, oh, here, see, oh, there you are, yeah, again, thanks God, no, so again, wag ginamuliyok sa first treatment session, so recover na si Cho, again, mas pas na yan, no, again, we do it daily na, so 1 year and 2 months daw na siya, treated by the medical practitioner, by which, no, every other day ba, daily, which, why man na yung nato, no, why man na yung nato, nga, di mga kalihok, no? So here again, ato ipabalik, hindi na bagay, wala bagay libro na. There you are, no? Again, so here, again, with the help po sa iyahang mga caregiver and nurse, no? So here, so ni-recover, no? Tanawa yung skin. Again, tanawa yung skin. There you are, no? So again, everything is recovered. Kamauna ka, mabutang, asa nakita, no? The blood pump. So here po, magkatso, no? Again, here. Again, mo itom ni siya basta wala siya pagkaon or blood. Who pumps the heart? Who pumps the blood? The heart. So again, Sir Richard Branson, no? We celebrate this coming January, no? The Pit Senior. Again, Arwin Argumenter on the Pit Senior, yeah? So big event right here. Again, this is our night treatment sessions. So here, again, so good. So then hold 20 seconds. So okay, start now. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, down. Good. Again. Sus again, no? So 20 seconds hold to. Sus, more 9. Makapabangulo by week, no? Yes, kapila. There. And shoulder joints. By which makadro siya sa Arwin Argumenter, no? By which from just trust. So we have also the monitor, no? Para ma-inspire si Cho, no? Again, pakita itong monitor. No? There you are, no? Kaya sa proper na both figure. Again, Cho, run set, no? 20 seconds hold, start. Now, good. 1, straight ang elbow Cho. 2, kana. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, check na. Again, thank you, Chua. Again, 15, no? So, we go that to 15. Again, bro, winning na. Okay, sabot sa, so many siya, sabot nga, it's su gasolina, no? Okay? So, again, I would like to thank you, no, sa video. Okay, there you are, no? So, na-monitor, no? Again, to inspire, no nga, mauling na, no? Okay, so here again, we are on the Bollywood, yeah? So again, Arwin Argumenter, latest updated direct exercises for the heart for electronic generation at the Bollywood videos in there. There's Hollywood in India. Again, that's Hollywood in India. Thank you, yeah? Then in the Virgin Galactic, yeah? Virgin Media, there from Richard Branson, no? Kumbusing, there you are, no? So naagi kuha niya itong Arwin Argumenter. There you are, no? This is dedicated for you for the whole week, Sir Richard Branson, for the whole week. Okay, here. Again, we have already in the sciencestage.com nga, ating ko no? There you are. Again, thank you, Mr. Branson, kay mauni, nakatabang sa mga akong countrymen, no? By which lagi, natin program nga, atong educate by which lag nga, kung mapalis lag Arwin Argumenter in your country, tabaw na sila sa pag-exercise. Again, the proper, because this is based on the British Heart Foundation and Association of the American, then Harvard and John Hopkins. So again, so here, sama mo nga mo, so there you are, no? Again, sakit na. Again, thank you.